Welcome back to my channel Biolabology. We are again continuing with the circulatory system where we have already covered the oxygen, how the oxygenated blood reaches the entire body. Now the deoxygenated blood, this part is very important, the how the blood is pumped in the heart. So the deoxygenated blood comes from the body to the upper chamber of the heart, that is the right atrium. As it relaxes, as I have mentioned in the previous video, this will relax, blood will fill in, this will contract, this will relax, this part which is the right ventricle where the blood will fill in, and then when the right ventricle will contract, it will pump the deoxygenated blood to the lungs through pulmonary artery, the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood. Since the ventricle have to pump the blood into various organs, they have thicker muscles. So this left ventricle have thicker muscles. You see these muscles are very thick here because they need to pump the blood to all parts of the body. However, this has thinner than compared to this because this will only pump to the lungs. So this part is very important, and the valves, which I was already telling in my previous video, valves ensure that the blood do not flow backwards. So when this relaxes, this is contracted. Where the blood is filled in, now this will contract, the atrium part will contract. So then this valve will open. The moment this opens through the Cuspid valve, this enters into the ventricle. And similarly for the left also, this will relax, this will contract, again this will contract, this will relax, so that the blood can enter. So this will pump to entire part of the body, this will pump to the lungs. Okay, so this is all about the physiology of the pumping of blood. Next we will understand how the oxygenation takes place and how the heart and the lungs play an important role in supplying blood to the entire part of the body. Okay, like, share and subscribe, and I will move on to the next part in my next video. Thank you.